slime right there. And I just added some activator and I'm gonna mix it in right now. So my phone died in the last video and I will post it too. But that's where I was left off. I just added my activator and it died. So I have it on the charger right now. So hopefully it doesn't die again. So I added some borax in my slime. If y'all didn't know, if y'all didn't watch part 1, and I added color to my slime, and I picked out some beads and I took out some slime. So a lot went wrong. And I accidentally had to go get a spoon because I forgot about the spoon. Okay, so my slime is almost activated. It wasn't bad at unactivated. It's like shaking my camera. So here is the slime. Dang it. Yeah, needs a little more activator. This is not drinking water. Again, this is not drinking water. It's borax. I bet you were thinking, what is she doing adding drinking water to her slime? Is she making jiggly? No, I'm not making jiggly slime. I hate when jiggly slimes melt because then they melt to nothing. They melt to clear slime, actually. Well, because the water in them. Yeah. This is a very old slime, guys. Like, it's probably as old as January. Oh gosh, I just found some hard, tough pieces. I hate when that happens. It's like a big, hard, tough piece. I'm not joking, guys. Right here. You can make that into a new slime if I had lotion. I put it over there with the other piece. Okay, this should be activated. I'm gonna add some glitters to it. I'm gonna add some iridescent and some blue right now. So I have some blue. Oh my gosh, my hands are too wet. I'm gonna get a... Okay. I got a paper towel just so I can have grip. Good. I'm gonna add some glitters. There we go, that should be good. I hate when glitter gets on my hands though. Now I'm gonna add some iridescence. And now let's start to mix it in. I really need to go slime shopping. I have enough glue. Like, I have a little bit of a gallon glue left. Then I have a whole bunch of clears, a whole bunch of little, like, 4-ounce clears and stuff. Okay, so yeah, it's still kind of rippy and stuff, you know what I mean? So from the activator, because it's not all the way added in. That's when I add mine. Well, and I was stretching a piece that has hard in it. See, a pile. And I'm gonna keep on mixing. Like, I'm gonna find the glitter hole in a second, and I'm gonna be like, ah, because that's how I always know when I find my glitter hole. Or maybe it's mixed. Sorry, I shook the camera again. Ooh, it's all mixed in. It's very pretty. Okay. Like, there's already a lot of glitter in this cloud slime. And it's, like, not a cloud slime anymore. And, okay, so I have different ones. I have, I cannot say this word. Eucalyptus. I can't say it. I'm not very good at saying stuff, like, sometimes. So, there's this one. Then there is orange. It's a citrus. It smells really good. And then there's apple cinnamon. And then we have pink sea salt. Which one would y'all like the best? I think y'all would like the apple cinnamon the best, because it's probably how many of y'all would say, ooh, I would like apple cinnamon. Probably a lot of you will say that. That's what I would say. So, okay. Oh yeah, forgot that I can't add too much because it melts your slime. Oh gosh, I forgot. No, I'll have to add more activator after this. Okay, so yes, I have to, like, it melts your slimes. I used to use this as melter, like, I would use for deactivator, guys, and my slime would always smell like the sea salt or my apple cinnamon. It smells really good. I have a whole bunch more at my grandparents' house, but and I did send one I brought home. It's a butter slime. It's called pink cherry lolly slime. It smells like cherries, and it's like a pink, so it's like a lollipop. So, yeah. Okay, I don't think I'll have to activate it again. It actually helped it. Okay, so I'm gonna get some out. Not all of it. Look, there's a lot of slime here. I just shook the camera, and now I moved it back. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's some slime. It's really nice. And it is kind of a makeover. Like, it was melted, but the other one is gonna be a makeover. Like, it's a makeover. Like, anything will be better than this next one. Okay, so that one's finished. And I'll be right back. It's right beside me. And here we go. Here is the slime. I used a toolbox. For this one. Please. Yoo-hoo. I'm gonna have to get the no, that'll be too difficult. It's like watery and stuff. It's so, like, look. It is not slime anymore. It is definitely not slime anymore. It is definitely not slime anymore. So I really like the color. It's like a purpley color. And I'm gonna add I gotta have my spoon. Like, see, here it is. It's like a little, gonna mix this up. Like, when I mix it up, it looks like so pretty. It's like marbled. Like, you guys can't see it, but I can see it. It's so pretty. It's like clear, and then it's like turned opaque. Oh, I feel the glitter at the bottom. I found the glitter. So yeah, I'm gonna add the borax. There's gonna be a lot of borax in this. Like, I just added a lot of borax in this. So it's already kind of forming. Like, that's good. That's good. We know it's gonna activate into a slime. We know that's gonna happen. Like, look at this. It's already activating. But since this was a jiggly slime, I have no clue what's gonna turn out like. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, I found the glitter. Oh, it's leaking. Oh gosh. That's why I brought paper towels, because I knew this was gonna happen. It always happens every single time. And then it ends up all on my table, and then it ends up all on my carpet. This is so satisfying. It's so satisfying, guys. Listen. That sounds really good. Yeah, here's the glitter. Like, that's a little bit of the glitter product now. Oh yeah, it's all at the bottom. Oh yeah, it went to the bottom. Okay, I need more activator. Holy cow, I did not mean to put that much in there. I put a lot of activator, so we might be deactivating it a little bit in a little while, guys. But it probably needs that much activator. I'm not joking. When it gets to this point, oh, it's good. It's good for your hands. It's good. Oh, it's all good. It's not even sticky. Oh gosh, it's squirt. Oh, it sounds so good. It's not slime yet, guys. That's just the water. Well, not the water. It's not water, guys. It is Not drinkable. It is not drinkable. Not drinkable, guys. Not drinkable. It is just the borax. Oh, look. Okay, so I'm going to do piece by piece. That's how I always do it. So it is a oh gosh, I need more activator. Okay, so it is a borax slime. Okay. Okay, this is good. Okay, got this piece. Okay, guys. So if it looks clumpy like this and stuff, do not worry. It will be okay. You just have to knead it. I do not mean, oh, I need it so much. I need it so much. You need to knead it like this. Yeah, you need to knead it. Oh, good. Let me put it up in here. Okay. Next piece. Let me get crazy with it. Okay. Ah! This is so sticky! 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 No, sticky! Sticky! Good thing I took off my rings. I have 2 rings. And they're both on the same where my bracelets are. Okay, I need some, oh gosh. Gosh. Okay, you just need to knead. You just need to knead. Knead it, knead it, knead it, knead it, knead it. Whack it, whack it, whack it. Oh yeah, get my slime. Let's do this to my slime. Oh, yes, it worked! We are the champions. I know what I need to do now. I need to add more activator. Still good slime. Because I need it. Knead it. And you need your slime. It's so nice, guys. Like, when it starts to turn into slime, it's nice. Nose! Okay, it's needed. Let's add it to this slime. We do not want you spoon. So it's actually a really nice slime, guys. Like, but I have a lot left, which is the bad part. So I'm gonna get a big chunk. Okay, that's basically all of it. Oh my gosh, you got on my bracelets. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky, and it's not at the same time. It's like weird. Dip it in the activator. It's called double dipping. Get it? Double dipping in the activator. Double dipping. Anybody get it? Okay. Ugh. Just a little bit more, and then I'll be done with this part. I think I might have one more activate, but it'll be fine when it sits. Like sometimes I literally have to pour out the extra activator. I probably will have to pour out this extra. Okay, so here's this. Oh my gosh. No, not good, not good. Okay, good. Yep. Okay, I know this sounds really weird, but listen. It sounds weird. Okay, it's all finished, guys. Okay, it's all finished, finally, right? It like took more, like 15 minutes. You gotta be done, woman. Okay, it's a big slime. Okay, here's the slime. It's very big and it's very nice, actually. It's very, very nice. Oh, it is very nice. Oh, it's nice. I'm gonna add some green flakies to it. Like they're grainy goldy flakies. I'm gonna add some flakies. There we go. Okay, shift the green flakies. Okay. So guys, I actually think we survived this video. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and click that notification bell if you want to see more videos. And I guess that's the wrap. Bye!